Hi everyone, welcome to the first episode of FAQs in Real Estate with Tuli Masilela, the co-owner and the principal estate agent for Nest Haven Properties. So in this show, I'll be basically answering frequently asked questions in real estate. One question that we often get from the first-time buyers is, what costs do they need to budget for when buying a property? There are costs that need to be paid prior registration, and there are also costs that need to be paid after registration. In this video today, I'm just going to be covering costs that need to be paid prior registration. Then I'm going to do another video to cover the costs that need to be paid after registration. Prior registration of the property, there are three costs that need to be paid: transfer costs, bond costs, and the deposit. Transfer costs are paid to conveyancers who are attorneys responsible for transferring the property. As to how much you pay is dependent on the purchase price of the property. Therefore, the higher the purchase price, the higher the transfer costs. Transfer costs include a transfer duty for properties above 1 million rand. Meaning if you buy a property less than 1 million rand, you don't have to pay transfer duty. However, you still need to pay the rest of the transfer costs. I'll also do another video on how to calculate transfer costs. Next, we have bond costs, which only apply if you're buying your property through a mortgage bond. Therefore, if you're buying your property for cash, you don't have to worry about bond costs. These bond costs are paid to bond attorneys who are responsible for registering your mortgage bond. These bond costs are dependent on the mortgage bond you've been approved for. Therefore, the higher the mortgage bond, the higher your bond costs are going to be. Lastly, we have the deposit, which is required in a case where you've applied for mortgage bond. However, the bank couldn't approve you for 100% of the mortgage bond. In which case, you then need to raise the difference to pay towards the purchase price. You can also opt to pay the deposit to lower your monthly bond repayments. Like I said, in the next video, I'm going to cover costs that you need to budget for after the registration of your property. I hope you found this information useful. Thank you for watching and cheers.